I'm just kidding, guys. As you guys can see right here, I'm going to customize my car, and he is going to race with me also. Let's go! He's in that car, like that vehicle ATV, and this is me, this Ferrari. And now I didn't start this, but oh, they like bro, I got into that like that thingy, bro. Oh, get in there, the upgrade thing. Go inside it. Did you? I'm clicking the engine. Oh, race engine, no problem. I have so much money, and I want to do it. Bro, I don't know how to donate in this game. Bro, I only have 51,000. No problem. Let me upgrade and upgrade. No problem. I'll try my best to upgrade. Wait, the maximum is 60, right? Yeah, it is 60. Yeah, I don't have 60,000. Yeah, that's a good. That's good. Good. So now can we race, please? No, you got a race in the race. Bro, come on. Bro, I'm in the race. Come near the red thingy. Red area. Or come near the shop. I will be there. Yeah, this is me. This. But not that red one. I mean this green one. So come in the green one or you can't finish it. You want a drag race? Bro, it needs three players or then come with me. Come with me and show you. I'll show you the best one. Bro, just put your vehicle there. Bro, jump out of your vehicle. Jump out of your vehicle. Okay, now come to my vehicle. Okay, now let's go. Let's go to drag race, okay? Meow. What? Their fire. Okay, that's the station, the fire station. Come. Okay, it's like, please, where are you? Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Okay, now I know. Look at my head like, oh no. I knew you was gonna win. I knew you was gonna win. Hey, we have the same engine. That's why. Look at you. I know you're going to win. Win. You win. You won. You wouldn't win. How? How you wouldn't win? No way. Then water, come follow me. Where are you? Yeah, yeah, that's me. Don't go back. Don't go back. Don't go back. Come in my vehicle. Come in my. What? How did you do that? Oh, come in my car. Oh, no, no, nothing, nothing. Come here, come here. Come to the this airport. There's a cool race in there. Are you following me? How? We have the same engine. But how are you so good at these things? So, see, I told you. See, you did a 360 reverse and reverse. Okay, reverse. How? Oh, that's so late. I need go. Please, 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 please. Me, 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 me,